Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all working codes for April 2026 that you can redeem in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Actually, there are some codes that you can redeem, but in this video, I'll be showing you only 2 codes, and for the rest of the codes, I'll put it on my YouTube description. Okay, let's start with the first code. I'm going to go to the watch menu and go to the setting and select redeem code to redeem a code. And the first code is going to be keep smiling 2026. Keep smiling 2026 like this, and let me click on OK, click on redeem. Okay, and then I'm going to check my mailbox for the rewards. Okay, this one, you will get 5 wishing stars and mermaid fish attractor and also fertilizer. I'm going to claim it. Oh, okay, cool. And the next code. All right, this is for the next code. Let's redeem it together. Got it. And I'm going to check my mailbox. Okay, you will get 10x and 10,000 golds and also the mermaid perfume. Oh, let's go and claim it. And there are still some codes guys, but you can check it on my YouTube description. Okay guys, and that's all the working codes for April 2026 in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.